EREV Rosh Hashanah. It's Sunday morning, and I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough with you guys since I've done a whole bunch of Rosh Hashanah and High Holidays videos and show you what a holiday day looks like for us since we have the whole day ahead of us, services tonight, and we're having a play date this morning. So that whole video I did for you all about like 18 craft ideas for the high holidays, that is going into play today, as is my challah recipe. And I just wanted to show you our setup before our friends get here. So I'm putting together a quick platter. I'm gonna put on some string cheese, cut up my apple, and I have honey sticks, which my kids have been really eager to get at. I promised the mom she didn't need to worry about food, that I would have food for her kids. The other thing I've prepared in the kitchen this morning is a double batch of challah dough, which is rising. I'm looking pretty good. This is my recipe for Mandylicious Challah's amazing challah recipe. I'll link it up. I'll link it below. If you haven't seen it already, you need to check out this recipe. It is delicious. And the children, we're gonna have 4 children today, 2 of mine and 2 of my friends. They're each gonna make an entire regular size challah to take home or have here at home for Rosh Hashanah. Super excited. Let's go in the living room. As you can see, I can make nice and vacuum and set up the house, and still people are leaving their socks places, so it's not perfect. I have the table preset for tomorrow. We're not hosting tonight. Since it's a really early service, we're just gonna make a run for services. But tomorrow my parents are coming and I have the table set, and I'll probably get my meat going. Short ribs recipe, probably get that going this afternoon, so it's just ready to warm up for tomorrow. In terms of the kids setup, I did clean up the room. I have the kids table ready. I've just like wiped it down and I put parchment down. I have 4 pie pans ready to oil. And if they want to sit here for snack, they can do that too. But I'm gonna have them do their challahs first thing so that they have time to rise, egg wash, and we're gonna bake them here and they can go home with hot, hot challah. I also have like decorated a little bit with my children's crafts from school. They're very proud and everything came home with them on Friday. So we put those up, and then here I've set up an area for the kids to work and the mommies to sit. The kids can use some pre-cut pictures for Rosh Hashanah. I have my bees wrapped because that has all of the honeycomb motif, glue, scissors, and then I have a giant stack behind you of all of the latest Jewish journals, the magazines from like recent months with all the fall fruits and veggies. So whatever the kids want to cut out, if they want to cut it out, they can. If they're not interested in cutting because they're only 2 years old, then they can use the pre-cut shapes. I have my book basket out along with this fun little story that my oldest daughter made in her Hebrew class. This is like brown bear, but it's all the symbols for Rosh Hashanah, and it's all in Hebrew. And we're just gonna relax. So this is my setup. I most of all just sort of tidied the house and set up a couple stations. Most importantly, the kids are so excited to come over and bake challahs. So if that's something that you have the bandwidth to do over the holidays or to cook anything with children, I think it's like one of those no-brainer things to do during a play date where the mom or parent or kids are gonna say, yes, we would like to be there. So we're really excited. I'm wishing you a Shana Tova. I hope it's a sweet one. I hope however you choose to celebrate, whether it's in a religious service or just with family, I hope it's meaningful and special to you, and I hope you have a great new year ahead. Shana Tova, and I'll see you back here on my channel soon. Take care.